Well, there's some clarity just coming in from the government side on the stamp controversy. Sources are telling your channel that the government had decided to come out with 22 stamps. And this included stamps of Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi, along with additional stamps of Deen Dayal, Ashoka and other such eminent personalities. So Congress's allegations of the government removing their stamps is actually baseless. Aditi is getting us more clarity on this controversy. Aditi, of course, this was brewing as a fresh flashpoint between the Congress and the BJP, but now there's some clarity coming on it.
Absolutely. In fact, just about a month ago, when the Communication Ministry had come up with this idea of coming up with almost 22 stamps, this would include stamps such as of Deen Dayal Upadhyay and of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, of Paramveer Ashoka. So they had decided that there will be stamps of eminent personalities, and the stamps will not just be restricted to Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi and Mahatma Gandhi. In fact, at this point of time, when we're getting to know that the Congress is all set to attack the government over the issue of cancelling out the stamps of Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi, the government at this point of time is calling such allegations as baseless. We will be seeing a statement coming from the government officially as well after the Congress makes out their statements on this issue. But the government is very clear that they had set up an issue, they had set up a plan of coming out with 22 stamps, and these 22 stamps included stamps of Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. So there is no such thing of cancelling out any of the stamps which have been going on for the past 15 years. There's only going to be additional stamps. No stamps of the Gandhis are going to be cancelled out.
Okay, Aditi, just stay with us. In fact, let's just play out some of the political reactions that we've got from the BJP on stamp series so far.
ऐसा है, पहले 4 या 5 चित्र ही होते थे, अब 25 राष्ट्र पुरुषों की और 25 महान जो नेता थे, विवेकानंद से लेकर राजा छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज से लेकर और सभी नेता राम मनोहर लोहिया जी से लेकर,
insults its national heroes. The BJP government and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they have been from day one busy distorting history, rewriting history, but they cannot take away the supreme sacrifice of both Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. They cannot unperson them. And the fact that after India's independence, for 21 years between Srimati Indira Gandhi and Shri Rajiv Gandhi, they were the Prime Ministers of this country. Now it is for the people to see that what kind of a Prime Minister, what kind of a government we have.